Hello guys, let's discuss new features of Pi network. When we open our Pi browser, then we can open the Fireside here, this one. After opening this one, we can see that many people are creating their own channels here and they are also posting on those channels. Everyone is in different kind, like this is for the Pi art. The first one is Pi art and Pi photograph and Pi art and many more. Okay. So now there is a new one which is called Pi Music. It is getting famous day by day. Music. Okay. So you can see the fire here. Okay. So let's open this and here people are sharing their favorite music and other peoples are liking and sharing their post. Let me tell you how to earn money. If you create a channel like this, then you have to post your favorite music or video or anything here. Then people will send you some fires. These are fires, and these fires are zero point 0.5 per tip. It will deduct their pi, and the small token from pi will convert into a fire. And you will collect this, and it will be given to you by your subscribers or users or viewers. They will send it to you, and then you have to check your profile, my tokens, and here you can check if you have any balance here. Okay, otherwise, let's see how much this idea 73 earned, and we will click on this, and it will show how much tip they got. All tip received. Okay, this is the tip that they received. They received at least 8 pies with the 1096 fires they got total. This tip, and this is the new earning way of Pi network. You have to create your own channels here and do not forget to remember your channel rules. Okay, every channel have different rules. If a music channel, then it is only posting music, and if a photography channel, it is only posting photos. So you can also post from here, add your title, your content, any picture that you want to share, and then boom, that's it. So best of luck with this, and do not forget to follow and subscribe this one.